With people rushing past, their faces lit up by the glow of their smartphones. Cut to a close-up of a computer screen showing a loading icon spinning endlessly. Sound of frustration and impatience fills the air. Narrator, are you tired of your computer? Struggling to keep up with your demands? Do you find yourself constantly waiting for your applications to load, your games to launch, or your videos to render? Well, my friend, you are not alone. In a world where speed is king, having a powerful processor is essential. And that's where the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X comes in. The AMD Ryzen 9 5950X prominently displayed in the center. Narrator, introducing the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, a 16-core, 32-thread unlocked desktop processor designed for those who demand nothing but the best performance from their PC. Whether you're a content creator, a hardcore gamer, or a professional in need of massive computing power, this processor is the ultimate solution for all your needs. Of the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, with easy-to-read graphics highlighting its key features. Narrator. The AMD Ryzen 9 5950X is not just your average processor. It's a powerhouse that will take your computing experience to the next level. With 16 cores and 32 threads, this processor can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. From editing high-resolution videos to running multiple virtual machines simultaneously, the Ryzen 9 5950X does it all without breaking a sweat. AMD Ryzen 9 5950X shines, including gaming, video editing, and multitasking. Narrator, imagine being able to play the latest AAA games at maximum settings, while also streaming your gameplay and running background applications without any lag or stutter. With the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, you can do just that. Its unrivaled performance and efficiency make multitasking a breeze, allowing you to unleash your creativity without any limitations. 5950X with other competing processors, highlighting its superior performance and value. Narrator, when it comes to raw power and performance, the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X stands head and shoulders above the competition. Its impressive benchmark scores and unparalleled multitasking capabilities make it the go-to choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. And with its unlocked design, the Ryzen 9 5950X is also perfect for overclocking, allowing you to push its limits and squeeze every last drop of performance out of it. Who have experienced the power of the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X firsthand. Narrator, but don't just take our word for it. Listen to what real users have to say about the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. User 1, I can't believe how fast and responsive my PC is now. The Ryzen 9 5950X has completely transformed my workflow and gaming experience. User 2, as a content creator, I rely on my PC to deliver top-notch performance. The Ryzen 9 5950X has exceeded all my expectations. And more. Cut back to the sleek computer setup. With the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X glowing in the center. Narrator, so, if you're ready to take your computing experience to the next level, don't wait any longer. Upgrade to the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X and unlock a world of possibilities. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a professional in need of unmatched performance, this processor is the ultimate choice for you. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Get the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X today and unleash the power of Ryzen. Strong call to action displayed on the screen. Narrator, click the link below and experience the power of the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X for yourself. Don't miss out on this game-changing processor. Upgrade now and revolutionize your computing experience. AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, power beyond imagination.